and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2014 Ford Focus 1.6 TDCi Zetec Navigator with stop-start in metallic black. It's done 41,000 miles since new and comes with service history. Features include Ford's QUICKCLEAR windscreen, which is perfect on today's light today, as well as stop-start, satellite navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. And as an added bonus, it is only £20 a year road tax. For more information or to book a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.